Hi and welcome to today's tutorial. In this video, I'll be showing you how to change country in Microsoft Bing. Now remember that changing your country in Microsoft Bing helps you to get search results, news, advertisements, and trends relevant to a specific location. Alright, so to navigate changing your country in Microsoft Bing, remember that the first thing you want to do is head over to your Microsoft Edge and then simply type in Microsoft Bing and it will take you to this page, which is the home page for your Microsoft Bing, where you can carry out a world of activities such as ask questions by typing over here or typing in a link that will lead to several search results, or you can just click on the drop down menu over here to choose the particular form you want to explore on Microsoft Bing. You can also use the voice record option. You can just click on this and you begin to talk to Copilot. So these are the different ways you can navigate this app. Now, to change country in Microsoft Bing, the first thing you want to do is head over to the top right corner over here where you have the three dotted lines. Click on that and navigate to settings. So we'll just look for settings through this list, and here is settings. So we'll click on that and it take us to this page. Now on this page, you want to head over to the search bar over here and then type in country or region. So let's quickly type in over there country and click on enter. It should take us to the next page. All right, so this is what we got from our search results, and you can see languages, share, additional OS regional formats, and all of this. So to change your preferred country from the list, just head over here, click on that, and then we would begin working on changing our preferred language. All right, on this page we can see that we have different languages. We have preferred languages. You can decide to add languages. For this particular option, for this particular Microsoft Bing I'm using, I have English language for United States. I have English, I have Yoruba, which is the Nigerian language. I have several other options. All right, and what I want to do is change languages. So I will just head over to this point over here and then move down and then choose the particular language from add languages that I want to work with. Say for instance, I want to change to the UK English. I'll just click on this: South African English, New Zealand, Ireland, French, Finnish, or explore any of these options that are stated here. If it's Greek or German I want, I'll just choose that and then I'll click on add and it will automatically change. So this is how to change country in Microsoft Bing to what you prefer it to be, to enable your search engine give you the preferred options or the preferred results you want from it. So thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you've been able to learn how to change your country in Microsoft Bing. Until next time, bye for now.